On how to download your Alipay account, go to your Google Play Store. Very important. Go to your Play Store. Yes, we are here. The next thing, search for Alipay. Once you search for Alipay, remember, yes, just search for Alipay. It's simple and very fast. Search for Alipay, straight to the point. Alipay app. You will see it right here. Just calm down. I will go through everything on how to set up your Alipay account immediately. Now you can see you are seeing updates because I have the Alipay already, but if you don't have, you'll be seeing install. So that's the Alipay there cycled. You'll be seeing install. Then if you see install, then you need to install. But since mine is already there, I just need to update the app to continue with the training. So I'm going to update immediately, and once I update, you see it updated you see it in my phone. So when you install it, you also see it Alipay on your phone. All right, guys, I'm installing. Remember, you don't even need to log into it. Once you open your Alipay account, it will automatically help you log in. So it's super easy. What you just need to do now, you see that you sign up. Put your your code. Look at that +86 there. You need to put your country code. If you're in Nigeria, you should know that your code should be in 234. But if you've already signed up before, you just need to sign in. But now you're signed up because the first time, you look for your code +234. That's in Nigeria. Put your phone number. You understand me? So it's super easy. Super easy. In 5 minutes, you're done. And guess what, guys? You'll be doing this with your international passport. Don't forget that. You'll be logging in this with your international passport. If you don't have international passport, you can also get from someone that has. Make sure the person name is what you're using. So, and make sure the person is there to also capture his or her face. All right, guys. So you can be able to pay yourself using Alipay. So it's super amazing. So just go ahead, sign up, and you're good to go. Sign up and you're good to go. You see that? You need to put in your code. Find your own country. So you need to scroll down to find your own country. If you're in Nigeria, scroll down, go to the end side, you see Nigeria, find your own country. If you're not there, look for your own country and sign up immediately. Then once you do that, you put in your phone number. Don't forget, make sure you put in the phone number that is handy. Super interesting. Put in the phone number that is handy because they'll be sending you a text message to confirm. So make sure you're putting your phone number that you can get access, and click on agree. Click on agree to get started. Click on agree. Then once you do that, a code will be sent to your phone. Make sure you go to there and type in the code here. Yes, so that's why you need to put in the phone number which you can set, get code from. Because without the code, you cannot be able to log in. So once the code is being accepted, now you're good to go. Your Alipay is now here. Then you open to the me. You see that me, the arrow pointing there. You go there. You see membership transaction balance. So you see everything there. Then now you're going to verify your Alipay account. Once you've signed up, the next thing, you go to that settings. See my arrow there. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button, subscribe, and like this video. Then you go to account and security. Then you see that it's saying unverified. So you go to Alipay password. Remember, you need to change your own password. Yes. So allow you to go through the process. You need to change your own password so that you have your own login password. And remember that you need to, don't forget the password, because that's the password you use in making payments. So you're setting in your password. You need to confirm. Setting in your password. Since now automatically it has helped you open your Sting88 app. That's pointing there is your own Sting88 name now. So it has already create it immediately. So once you log into Sting88 immediately, you've already set it up. So you go to your settings. It's very important. Come back to your me and you're good to go. So it's super amazing. Then you immediately you log in your Snated app, you see it, it has already automatically open it for you. So it's super easy. Then on Snated app, go to that me, you see the cycle button, you see it automatically you will direct you, click on that blue button there. You see that you first for agree to the terms and conditions. Just look at the arrows, then click on the blue button. It's pointing now to agree. Immediately, it will automatically, you know what, accept it. So it's super amazing. Automatically, it has been linked to status. So now you can make your payments and all that. Then you need to verify your account. Very important. You need to verify your account. Very important. You see that, so all those places are where you can now start buying. That's the cart. This side is where when you after buying you see where it's moving and all that. So that's how it works. Once that's this other place you see the car sign there, that's where after buying excuse me, you see once it starts moving to the shipping company, it appears that place where the boss is. So that's how it works. So in case you have any question, make sure you drop it on the comment section for me to answer. Alright. If it has not moved, it will be there on that cycled one you're seeing there. So if it does not move, it will be there. You can also go and chat the supplier what is happening, why hasn't it moved and all that. But once it's moved, to go to where the motor part is, then you need to verify your Alipay with your international passport. Click on the verified there, and that's all. You're good to go. You're good to go. It's super easy. That cycle motor is where it shows that yes, your item you bought